Alright guys, here she is, 28 spots available. Swirly bird. There's your list. $9.20. Just switch to $9.21. There's your PayPal. It's all there. 28 spots. Go to random. Certificate's good. There's your refresh. $28 spots. Thanks again. Winner, PM me, please. Hopefully we could figure it out and I get it back one day. Good luck, guys. 19. $9.21. Just switched right now to $9.22. 28 spots, number 19. 28 spots, number 19. Matt. Congrats, Matt. Shoot me a PM. $9.21 still. Let's see. Sorry. Yep, $9.21. $9.22. Here, just to verify, let's go to a reply. And then we'll put in an end again. It should be $9.22. $9.22. $9.22. Congrats, Matt. Thanks again, guys. I appreciate it.